There's nothing quite as devastating as the rumor of a rodent problem in a restaurant. Hi, my name is James with the Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Keep watching for more tips on how to prevent one. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. If you have found this information helpful, click on the like button below. Dry storage areas, super common problem with rodents. You're storing rice, flour, sugar, oils, all kinds of containers that they can chew through and get great food sources. In fact, some of their favorite food sources. Take a look at what's in your dry storage and make sure you don't have grains and pastas and other edible things in cardboard boxes or easily accessible containers. Try a Cambro or a Lexan with a lid to prevent them to getting into your foods. It'll be safer for your customers and save you money. Multi-unit buildings. For restaurants, they can be a nightmare. If you're an ice cream shop or a quick serve restaurant or a fancy restaurant, it doesn't matter. If one unit in your building has rats, you have to assume all of them will sooner or later. First thing you're going to hear is, but there's a firewall in between. Firewalls are great to slow down fires. They don't stop rats or insects, and they don't hermetically seal to the roof. What they do have is a gap up there and plumbing and conduit going through all the walls. Don't be convinced because someone tells you you have a firewall that you're not going to get the guy's rats from next door. It's a fact. You will. If you have any questions or need help, call or text me at the number below. I'll get back to you quickly and I'll discreetly solve your problem.